Hi everybody and welcome. In today's video I am going to show you how you can easily pair your LG XBOOM 360 XO3 speaker with your iPhone or iPad. So it almost works identical in iPad and iPhone, so I will show you this on iPhone device. At first we have to enter settings and then Bluetooth. Now we have to find on our speaker this Bluetooth button, which is here. We have to tap that and then we have to search for our device, which is this LG XO3Q82 in devices list. We have to tap this device then, and now we are connected to our device. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day.